about the GK questions related to first person of India. So let's start the video. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is the first Vice President of India? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Who is the first woman President of India? Pratibha Patil. Who is the first Home Minister of India? Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the first President of Indian National Congress? Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee. Who is the first Muslim President of Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tayebzi. Who is the first Muslim President of India? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first Defence Minister of India? Sardar Baldev Singh. Who is the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the first British Governor General of India? Lord William Bentinck. Who is the first Indian pilot? J.R.D. Tata. Who is the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna? Who is the first Indian woman to receive Nobel Prize? Mother Teresa. Who is the first Indian woman to receive Booker Prize? Arundhati Roy. Who is the first woman recipient of RajivGandhi Khel Ratna Award? Karnam Malleshwari. Who is the first first Indian woman to cross English Channel? Who is the first Indian lady to become Miss World? Who is the first Indian lady to become Miss Universe? Sushmita Sen. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who is the first Indian woman President of United Nations General Assembly? Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who is the first woman Speaker of State Assembly? Devi. Who is the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state? Sucheta Kriplani. Who is the first and last Muslim woman ruler of India? Sultan. Who is the first woman to climb Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Yadav. Who is the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha in India? Meera Kumar. Who is the first woman Governor of a State of India? Who is the first woman President of Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Who is the first woman IPS officer of India? Who is the first Indian woman in space? Kalpana Chawla. Who is the first woman pilot in Indian Air Force? Harita Kaur Dayal. Who is the first British viceroy of India? the first British Governor General of Bengal? Lord Warren Hastings. Who is the first Governor General of Free India? Lord Mountbatten. Who is the first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics? Amartya Sen. Who is the first and last Indian to be the Governor General of India? Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Who is the first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine? Hargobind Khurana. Who is the first person to get Param Vir Chakra? Somnath Sharma. Who is the first Indian scientist to be awarded the Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman. Who is the first Indian to be awarded the Nishan-e-Pakistan? Desai. Who is the first winner of Filmfare Best Actor Award? Dilip Kumar. Who is the first winner of Filmfare Best Actress Award? Kumari. Who is the first Indian to land on moon? Commander Rakesh Sharma. Who is the first Indian to receive the Booker Prize? Who is the first Indian Commander-in-Chief? General K.M. Cariappa. Who is the first Chief of Naval Staff? Admiral R.D. Katari. Who is the first Indian to join the Indian Civil Services? Satyendra Nath Tagore. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Who is the first Education Minister of Free India? Azad.